Alright guys, we're doing a little sound check with my lower mount. I got a weird setup going on to pick up sound to my helmet. Might run this for a little while until I can get a Bluetooth mic system. My little test area right here. Hopefully this sounds pretty decent. Oh, I don't know what that was. Oh, I'm used to having a chin mount. There's something in that water jumping around. I turned my head to look. I don't have a chin mount. Camera's still there. Yeah, I should have just went. I'm gonna be stuck behind a big truck. No, it's just one of them. Is that a water truck? Yeah, so he's just going right around this curve up here. I'm really interested if this sound is going to be good or not. Alright, gonna be the test. I'll post it if it's good, and if not, I'll run another test.